for more. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Skills Academy. In today's video, we'll see how to transfer money to another bank account. Register and verify your free profile. Log in or sign up your profile for free transfer on the Western Union money from your bank account. You can verify your profile using your driver's license, passport, or government-issued ID. Next, choose the amount and destination. Enter the destination and the amount you'd like to send. Select bank account as the receive method. Enter your recipient's details. To transfer money to someone else's bank account, you'll need to have their details to hand. Enter your recipient's details to transfer money directly to their bank account. Select a payment method. Choose whether to pay with your credit, debit card, or transfer money with your bank account to your recipient's bank account. Confirm, send, and track your transfer. Your money is on its way and can arrive in as little as a few minutes, but it can take up to 4 business days if funds are sent from your bank account. You and your receiver can keep tabs on the money transfer with the tracking number MTCN. You can also transfer money to bank accounts around the world on the go with their app. Transfer money to someone else's bank account with 0 fees to select countries where you pay using account. Or you can send money in person easily and transfer money to another bank from more than 61,000 Western Union agent locations in the United States alone. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.